cube solving is gonna look really hard. But in my method, it's really easy. And I'm going to teach that to you in less than 15 minutes. So welcome to my channel and let's start. So before starting, I'm going to teach you 4 steps, which are going to be really needed in the whole video and in the cube solving. So for that, you can just start from anywhere. It's a solved cube over here. I'm just going to show the 4 steps on that. So we have to keep white on the bottom or any color on the bottom, and remember that color. So I'm keeping white on the bottom, and with my right hand, I'm going to take the right layer up so that the white comes over here and green comes on the down. So when the white comes up, with your right hand again, this piece you have to push it like this. So this piece goes over here with the orange. Then this piece, these two greens over here, you have to push that back and get the white over here like this. This white comes over here and get this piece back. With the left hand, get this piece back. Then it comes back and it comes under. The same way we have to do that with both the hands. Now I'm just going to show it to you from the left hand. Same way I'm keeping white on the bottom. With the left hand I have to do the same thing. Left hand pull it up, white comes over here. With the left hand again, push this. So this goes with the red and orange comes over here as orange was on the side. I pushed it over here and I have to pull this back down. So this comes over here, empty white, and with the right hand we have to push this back. Orange comes on its place, white comes under it. So let's start. Now I'm just going to roughly shuffle it, and as you have learned the steps are going to be needed in the cube solving. So I'm just going to roughly shuffle it now, and now we're going to start with the first step. So the first step is of solving the white cross. The white cross is basically a plus sign from the white middle piece. So over here we have a white middle piece, and you have to make a plus from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for that step, we have to turn the whole cube around and get yellow towards the ceiling. And for that, we have to get a white cross, but with the yellow in the middle. It's a really easy step. Example, there's a piece over here. Turn the top layer and get this up. This piece comes over here. It's really easy, you can try it. This piece is on the bottom. So we turn this thing with the hand. This thing, it comes on the side. Pull it up, it comes over here. Same way, in the bottom layer, just rotate it. Where there's an empty piece, then turn it. We don't want the white corner. If you, example, get a white corner. Example, this is a white corner. This red. You have to pull it, turn the cube again. Keep white on the top. And do the 4 steps with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the corner goes. So we are done with the white cross. And for solving the white cross with the white middle piece, we have to start from anywhere. Example, there's an orange in the middle. The top layer with the right hand, we have to just mix it, turn it until you get an orange on the top over here. So there's an orange on the top over here. So you have to rotate it 2 times. So I've rotated it like this. 1, it comes on the side. 2, it comes on the bottom. So this is done. You have to turn the cube and go to the green color. There's a green over here and there's a green on the top. It's matching. Just rotate it. Next color is of a red. So you have to rotate it. There's a red over here. Turn the whole cube. So we have got 3. The 4th color is of a blue. There can be chances that you get there can be 2 blues on the corner. But we can check and do it properly by checking if there's a white middle piece on that. Example, there's a blue piece over here. You have to check on the top, but this is not a white piece, it is an orange piece. So you have to check where's the other blue. And yeah, it's over here and there's a white piece on the top. So you have to turn the whole cube, turn the thing. And doing this, our white cross is ready and our first step is done. So for the next step is of solving the white corners, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to turn the whole cube again and get yellow to the top and find a corner piece. Example, there's one over here. Check what color there is with the white corner. Example, there's an orange, a red and a blue over here. So turn this, the top layer, and don't mess this up. And get that to the red and blue. So there's a white, red and blue which make one piece. There's a white, red and blue. That means it goes over here. So you have to do the same 4 steps with the right hand that I taught you earlier. 1, we get this up. 2, 3, 4. You will have to do the step 3 to 4 times. This is the wrong piece, you have to keep on doing it. And yeah, here you go, you have done this step. So you have to do the same for the others. So this is just a orange and blue, orange and blue. To do the 4 steps. You have to do this until you get the piece ready. So there's a green and red over here. We get this to the red and green and do the 4 same steps. Sometime it can happen in just one move. It can maybe even take 6 to 7 moves. So yeah, and there's orange and green over here. We do the same step. And yeah, after if you have done that correctly, you'll get the white corner pieces, and this step is done. The next step is of solving the second layer, which is the middle, like these pieces. For that, you have to turn the whole cube again and keep yellow towards the ceiling again and find the piece. Example, there's a piece over here and it has blue and red. So move this to the blue that it gets matching and find where's red. So red is on the right side. So you have to keep red on the right side and keep blue towards you. And move this piece away. As there's a red over here, you have to move it away to the left side. And then do the 4 steps from your hand, from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, there's a white piece over here. You turn the cube and get red towards you, and the other color should be facing towards the left side. And do the same step with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you go, you're done with this piece. Same way you have to do the others. So I've got an orange over here. Turn it to the orange. This is I'm facing it over here, as I have to keep the color that is matched towards me. And there's a green on the left, so we have to do the same thing, but we have to move it to the right side and do the first step with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And white piece comes over here. Turn the whole cube, green facing towards you, orange facing towards the right side. And then do the same thing with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you get done with this piece again. So you have to do the same in the manner. So yeah, there's a green over here. Move it outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there can be a chance that the piece that you need is stuck over here and you have to flip it. Same, we do the same 4 steps. And then you get that piece out, and then you have to do the same 4 steps again to get that. So there you have to find the orange and blue. There's a blue over here. Orange is this side. Move it away. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after doing this step correctly, you will get the second layer done, which is this middle line. And then you're done with the step. The next step is of solving the yellow cross. In this step, for this step, you can get any 3 circumstances. You get the cross, or you get only the middle piece in the middle, or you get a straight line. You have to keep that horizontally, or you get a 9 o'clock. On an analog clock, how we have a 9 o'clock? Same way, like this. I have a 9 o'clock, so I'm going to teach you these 4 steps again. Yeah, whatever you have to do this step, except if you have the white, yellow plus, then you're done with this step. So for this, you have to keep white facing down as yellow and white are opposite to each other. With your right hand, you have to move this. By moving this, you'll get the white to the left side as it comes here. So, and then you have to do this same 4 steps from your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then get the white back. And then push it back down. And then you get the yellow line. In the yellow line, you have to do it again, and then you get the yellow cross. If you have only the middle piece, then you have to get the 9 o'clock, then get the yellow line, then get the plus sign. So I have to do it again. 1, white comes on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put it back. And then here you go, you're done with this step after you get a yellow plus or the yellow cross. After doing the yellow cross, the next step is of solving the top cross colors. So for that, you have to move this top piece and get it matching the most you can. So I have a red matching over here and none other. So try the others too. In this case, you can have all 4 matching, 1, 2, 3 middle pieces with the color, 2 matching or none matching. So in this step, we have to get most matching. I have not got any matching, so you cannot start from anywhere. Wait, I got 2 matching over here, orange and green. In this step, you have to keep the 2 facing that are facing each other, 1 back and 1 to the right, and then do this 4 steps. We get this up, white comes from the right hand, move it and pull it back down. This comes on the side, move it back and get it to the back, and then get this back up and then rotate it 2 times, and then the white comes. Pull it back down, and then if you've done that step correctly, you get the 4 pieces. If you had 0 done, then you will have to do this step 2 times. First time from anywhere, second time then you have to match the 2 colors and then keep it back and right and then do it. And then after you have done the step correctly, you get all the 4 cross colors. And then you're done with the step. Just give a check on all of it. The white should not be broken, the first, second layer should not be broken, and the yellow cross, neither the 4 cross colors. The next step is of solving the corner pieces. For that, you have to find a crossed piece. Example, the yellow over here, green and orange. But there's a yellow, blue and red over here. Not a yellow, green and orange. Means that is a wrong piece. Check it for all the same. This is a wrong piece. And yeah, this is a matching piece. You have to keep the matching piece towards the back of you or the right side, right back or southeast. And you have to do this step. For this, you have to, whichever side is matching, move that from your right hand. Then do this step. From your right hand, again, pull this back up, white comes over here. From your left hand, move it away. And then this comes to the side. Left hand, you have to get this up, and the white comes, and get this piece back. So this matches, and get it back down. This comes over here. Get this back down again, as we don't want to break it, and get it down. So you have to give a check again. You have to do this step 2 to 3 times, or it can happen also in 1 time. And then you have to do the same step, keeping it to southeast. And then I've done this step in 1 move. And as you can see, this is matching yellow, red and green, yellow, green and red. Yellow, blue, red, yellow, orange, blue, yellow, orange, blue, yellow, green and orange, yellow, green and orange. And it is not supposed to be matched. If it is, no problem. It should just have the same color and come to that corner. After doing this step is done. So I've done the other steps correctly. For this step, I have to turn the whole cube around and get white, which is this, facing towards the ceiling. And you have to do the 4 steps from which I taught you earlier from your right hand. Pull this up, 2, 3, 4. Do this until the yellow matches. You will have to do this multiple times to get it matched. And then here you go, you've done with this piece. Now you have to go to this piece. But you don't have to turn the whole cube around. You just have to move the corner piece or the bottom piece like this. And then do the same 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here you go, you're done with the whole cube. If you've done it correctly, then you would have done this. And the last step, if you would have done somehow wrong, then you would have messed up the whole cube. So now, as you have learned how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube like this one, if you like this video, please give it a like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the notification bell